So, friends, today I'm here at Giza Pyramid. So, this was my dream to come here in my lifetime, and today finally I'm here. I can witness this huge pyramid in front of me. And in my childhood, I had read it in history that Giza Pyramid is under seven wonder and still remains. And today I'm very much excited and I'm very much uh, happy that I can witness personally here. In my childhood, I have witnessed, I have read it in history, and now today I'm here and watching in front of me. This is one of the pyramid like which is under seven wonder, and you can see it's a huge one. I had manifested in my childhood that my, one day I travel to Egypt and I'll witness this personally, this giant. You can see so many people are here around, so many tourists are around, they are traveling and they are witnessing this history. This is one of the seven wonder, yes, and this is huge one, and I'm at site only, you can see. So I think there were like small pyramids here around, and now those pyramids are broken one. But this is the biggest one, and this is the which is listed under seven wonder. It remains standing tall here. So this shows that what kind of Egyptian history was actually, and uh, even thousand year back ago, there were like established civilization in this part of the world, and you can see how much people were concerned about their loved ones. This pyramid belongs to one of the king of the respective dynasty, and the love affection, this shows that how much they used to love their family, that their loved ones, because I'm sure lots of money and lots of time and lots of people were involved to build this giant. It's been more than 2500 years, but still it remains same. And no doubt it is under seven wonder. It is because of the kind of structure it is and the kind of that strength this pyramid holds. Another pyramid beside, you can see this is also one of the biggest pyramid here, and but this is smaller one, that is why it is not part of seven wonder, but this is the pyramid which is part of the seven wonder. Something here, I can see here, I think these are walls or maybe something else, I don't know, but this is great to be here, and this is amazing feeling to be here. And I'm just going closer to pyramid to just feel the sense. So it's good to be here, and personally coming and feeling the moment is the proudest moment for me. I can see, I can touch, I can feel. Great. Thank you very much. I just wanted to share this, my that feeling here, being here in Giza and watching seventh wonder.